Good evening, Philippines, and hello, Georgia. Welcome to Wendy Makes Sense. For today's vlog, let me share with you how to make this beautiful and gorgeous gift basket. So I will give this basket to one of my friends who is relocating to North Carolina. So I will show you the step-by-step, what do we need, etc., etc. So enjoy! Good evening, Philippines! Hello, Georgia! Mga kasens, salamat po sa pagpa-follow nyo sa page ko. Kaka-check ko lang po. Nasa 4,700 na ang aking followers. So, thank you so much sa mga nagpa-follow. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagme-message, nagla-like, nanonood ng mga vlogs ko. Thank you po. Today po is No Makeup Monday. Pasensya na, wala po tayong makeup today. Pero okay lang. I wanted to say hello sa inyo lahat. Gagawan ko po ng gift basket. One of my friends, para siyang mentor sa akin. She's from church and magre-relocate na po siya sa North Carolina. So naisip ko po ng special gift basket, going away gift basket. So today po ibibili ko po siya ng pajama set kasi mahilig po siya sa pajamas at mahilig din po siya sa pink. So ibibili ko po siya ng pink pajamas. So as I was driving to the store, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang spring dito sa Georgia. So ayan po, ganyan po kaganda, kaliwanag. Ang ganda-ganda po ng weather namin today and the last couple of weeks po. So actually one of my favorite seasons is spring. So spring, fall and winter. I love the three. I do not like summer. The only thing I like about the summer weather is we get to go to the beach or mamasyal, pero sobrang init din po dito sa Georgia pag summer. So ayan po, mag-enjoy lang kayo. Join me while I'm driving. So para makita nyo naman, ang ganda-ganda po talaga. Hindi ko po siya ma-resist. And then I got to the stores. I was able to get what I wanted, the basket and the pajamas. And fast forward, ito na po, we're getting ready to do our hand cream or hand salve. 2 cups of shea butter, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of jojoba oil, and a total 40 drops of essential oil. So I combined orange and frankincense. So ayan po, habang nag-iintay tayo for the shea butter to melt, gawa naman tayo ng hand scrub. Combine lang po natin ang ating salt and sugar, a little bit of jojoba oil, and essential oils again. This time I use lavender and lemongrass. Ayan po, natunaw na yung ating shea butter. Lagay na po natin yung ating essential oils and put it in our containers. So while we're waiting na tumigas yung ating hand cream, gawa naman tayo ng body oil. Combine ko lang po yung aking jojoba and coconut and essential oils again. Also, I wrap the natural soap para naman maganda. Lagyan natin ng decoration yung hand cream. Tapos na siya. And then now, we're ready to do our basket. So, lagyan lang po natin ng lining. White is good. Black is also good. And then just arrange it the way para magandang tingnan. Lagyan natin ng konting flowers. And there you go, mga kasens. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Madali lang. Well, it's not that hard. Napaka-special na gift po yan. Hindi po natin mabibili kahit saan. Kasi handcrafted po. Tayo po ang gumawa niyan. So, ayan po. I hope you enjoy. And I hope you continue to follow Wendy Makes Sense. Hanggang sa muli po. Bye-bye!